Statement out here, look. Thunderstorms here, people, today. And it's not a protest or any video like that, but you know, I just want to show you what it's like today. Hailstones. Got hailstones on here, look. So, you know, got it all today. Got it all. Look, hailstones, look. So yes, we've got it's not a good day today. Not a good day at all. Can't zoom in on this. I can. Let me have a look, see if I can. There you go. Look, hailstones. So yeah, it's not good today. Not good at all. But yes. Well, I'm not going out tonight, so. Well, I wasn't going out anyway, so. Yes. So. Right. Speak to you later, guys.